Hello everybody, here's my latest work and it's red. Those of you who are familiar with my work will know that I don't do much red really. Over the past 40 years I've done the odd phoenix and firebird, but it's a handful compared to say over 300 peacocks, in blue of course. But anyway, here it is. I saw this kimono. It's only from 1980, so not hundreds of years old or anything like that, but I was really taken with it and I thought I'd have a go at it in mosaic. I think it's a great success. I love the little clusters of flowers made with tiny morini, and unusually I've got these triangular morini for the tails of the cranes. I've got a mould that makes a triangular bar. Looks more like Toblerone than the normal lozenge. Anyway, here it is. It's exciting, I think. It's dynamic. It's red. It's really tiring working with red as well. Maybe that's why I avoid it, because it's absolutely knackering doing it compared to the nice soothing blue. Anyway, I'm pleased I did it. I'm pleased it's finished, and I'm pleased with it. As usual, there's an accompanying verse which I think sums it all up, and it goes like this. A swoop of cranes. Of all the things of which I dread, one of them is working with this powerful red. But when I saw this swoop of cranes, I let go of all restraints. Inspired by a kimono from Japan, if they can do it, then I can.